dress. I have no clothes. This doesn't work. Did you try magic stick? Here are your clothes. Smells so nice. Yay, my clothes! Hi Amelia, do you like my new shirt?
It's okay. Is it on fire or something?
No, it's lava.
Lava? Nah, don't like it. It doesn't even look like lava.
What? No, let's fight!
What? Fight? It's a fight! And now, I win! Haha! I won!
Akim, your shirt!
Akim, your shirt is leaking real lava!
Do something, Amelia!
Maybe these will help?
Try it, Amelia!
Okay, let me try.
Ain't battery, Amelia!
Yeah, I'm trying. It's hard. Oops. Oh man. Oops. Sorry. Let me try again. I have one more. Okay, stand very still.
3, 2,
1. Yes!
Finally!
Phew! But what do we do with all the lava now?
I have an idea!
Really? Tell me.
Throw the shorts!
Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1, catch! Yay! Good job, Akim!
Yay!
Hi guys! Why do we have a hole in the floor?
We had some lava on the floor from Akim's shirt.
Yeah, right. Why are there so many band-aids all over the place? You know what? No need to know. Guys!
Oopsie!
Oops!
Oops! Oopsie! Oh no! 2, 3. Yes! Okay, go quickly, Akim! Oh no! Nothing helped, Dad! Please, get something!
Okay.
It doesn't work, Dad! Think! Yay, it worked! Cool, Dad! Dad, quickly! Amelia, I want a drink. A drink? I'm also thirsty.
Yes, Amelia.
Hi, Dad. Can we get some drinks?
Of course.
Thank you.
Thank you, Amelia.
You're welcome.
Amelia, I'm hungry.
Hungry? Okay.
Yes.
Can we get some food?
Would you like some hamburgers?
Nice! Akim, hamburgers!
Thank you.
Woo!
Dad, look out!
The floor is lava! Oh no! Oh no! What do we do?
Why don't we do barbecue?
Good idea! I can't reach it from here, Amelia.
No, put it in the lava.
Cool! Now make us some too. Nice!
Okay, now throw it, Dad.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. But what do we do with this lava?
Why don't you jump in the pool and make a big wave?
With my clothes on?
Yeah, come here. Nice, and now jump in the pool.
Okay. 1, 2,